Hey, we're the History Hikers. Welcome back to Occitanie.
In the far back, right in the middle between us, you might be able to see Montségur.
We've already visited Montségur last time. This is what you're going to see this time. Over the next weeks and months, you'll be awed by nature's rugged beauty and inspired by mankind's incredible ingenuity.
Embark on a journey through bustling streets and abandoned alleyways, along rivers and over hills to explore some of the famous, but also some of the forgotten structures created by us humans.
You will feel humbled as you enter huge cathedrals, inquisitive when exploring majestic castles, and dwarfed as you see ruins high above on mountaintops.
So join us on another trip through some of the most stunning locations southern France has to offer in these coming weeks. We think you'll love it.
Oh, and there's also a cool dog.
Hello, we're History Hikers. My name is Wally, and today we're gonna check out a cool castle. Ruff!